what you done. I dread the pain that waits for me tomorrow, when the sun reveals my broken dreams scattered on the ground. Please forgive me. I need your grace to make it through. All I have is you. I'm at your mercy. Lord, I'll serve you until my dying day. Have others find a way. I'm at your mercy. Please forgive me. I can't believe that God of earth and glory would take the time to care for one like me. But I read in the Bible that, oh, I'm sorry, how He paid for my forgiveness when He was to die on the tree. Please forgive me. I need your grace.